A particular phase of life when almost every children is busy in playing video games, going to picnic parties and doing all kind of childish fun. I was busy in deciding which suicide attempt will hurt me less. Should I jump off the terrace or should I cut my nerves? Good evening everyone, I am Mohit, a character exactly opposite of what my name suggests. And today I am going to take you all to the fast forwarded journey of my life. So let's begin. Born on 29 July 1996 in a very normal lower middle class family. After having my elder brother as a son, my mom always wanted a daughter in hope that she will be a helping hand, but unfortunately she got me, who still don't know how to light the stove. My mom told me when I was born, I was around 4.5 kgs. It is 1.5 kg more than a normal newborn baby. And it was a matter of pride for all of my parents and family members that a so healthy a child is born. In spite of not being that well off, my parents still managed to get me admitted in a well-reputed private school in a hope that I will get to learn high-class and modern skills those well-off peers were having. But what I actually learned and experienced from there was the pain of bullying. Just because I was not cool like them, I was fat and I was not so good looking, and I never had so-called swag with me. I was made to realize that I'm quite awkward, I'm ugly, and I don't deserve to live anymore. People used to beat me, they used to abuse me and my parents, and since I was so innocent boy that I never reacted. And comments they done on my looks and insults they done to me publicly used to kill me daily. But it was a matter of fun and enjoyment for all of them. They were not murdering me directly, but were actually harassing me on emotional level so much that it was no less than a murder. I even thought to end up my life once, but never managed to gather enough courage to do so. I faced all on my own, but never told anything to my parents because I knew how difficult it was for them to afford a private school for me. And with that thought only, I never asked them to allow me to change my school, because if I had left the school in middle of the session, then that small amount of rupees 2500 as security deposit would not have been refunded. And that also mattered a lot for me. That all those experiences had a deep impact on me and my self-esteem. That induced a feeling of inferiority complex inside me and compelled me to stay reserved, isolated, and away from people. There came a phase in my life when I was so afraid of facing people that I chose not to step out of my house. And the things were like that only for an year or so. But one random day, I took the very first step of deciding to change myself. I decided to transform myself completely, and accordingly, I started working on myself. I choose to step out of my comfort zone at every phase of life and get comfortable with the fear that stops me. After a lot of continuous efforts and hard work done on improving myself, I transformed myself from that Mohit to this Mohit, and that I'm today capable to stand here and face you all. At last, I must conclude that if a person like me who was considered useless and of no value can come from there to here and deliver speech in front of even 10 persons, anyone can do anything in his life. And for me, it's just a beginning. The ice has just been broken, and I'm looking forward to be unstoppable and fearless. That's it.